সবাইকে নমস্কার। আমি মেঘা। আমি 2025-এর এসএসসি শিক্ষার্থী। আমি এখন রাজশাহী বোর্ড 2022-এর ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপারের কোশ্চেনটা সলভ করার চেষ্টা করব। ফার্স্টে আছে fill in the blanks with suitable preposition or articles. It is needless to say that washing hands is very important for us. It is certainly an important issue. Washing hands regularly can save us from kind of infection disease like COVID-19. Washing hands with soap is a must. We have to wash hand before taking meal and after using the toilet. Again, we should wash hand after touching sick member of our family and pet animals. Washing hand is also strictly recommended after coming back from outside. Washing hands in a washing hands in a uh, in a proper way may help us stay away from coronavirus. The reason is that coronavirus spread through touch, so it is important to keep our hands clean. Second number আছে complete the following text with the right forms of verbs given in the box. Truth always prevails in the world. Falsehood may reign for the time being. Those who uh, those who those who are engaged in those who are engaged in preaching the truth are respected by the people. Those who feel interest in telling lies cannot prosper in life. They may prosper seemingly, but after all, they become really defeated. Socrates, throughout his life, would preach the truth. He tried to make people understand what was good for them. He was troubled by the powerful people, yet he never teaching stopped teaching good things. 3 নম্বরে আছে change the sentence according to directions. Only you can do the work. Negative. None but you can do the work. No other friend is as great as books. Superlative. Books are the greatest friend. The rose is a very nice flower. Exclamatory. What a nice flower the rose is. We should be patriots. Imperative. Let us be patriots. He called a laurel. Passive. It was called by him laurel. Complete the text adding suffix prefix or both with the root words given in the parentheses. Everybody knows that smoking is a dangerous bad habit. It is harmful to health. It is also costly. A smoker should not smoke publicly. Smoking creates pollution. A single puff of cigarette contains uh, numberable, unnumberable, harmful particles that causes uh, respirator respiratory diseases which are incurable, but there are many people who are aware from the unaware from the bad effects of smoking. 5 নম্বরে আছে make the question of the following statements. Uh, he let he let me do it, didn't he? Let's be sincere in our life, shall we? Everybody respects the freedom fighters, don't they? Success cannot be achieved without efforts, can it? He has to lead a miserable life, hasn't he? Thank you.